Wabewa ekomiti emisa usuya yokusala kwabakusabile. Iminyaka engaphezu kwamakhulu amabili insizwa nje ekade iyinto yakhangela esitalini sobukhosi bezulu. Ukuthi isilo ilembe sabutho kwaba nomthelela omkhulu osentsheni uMholi esamsizeka. Futhi lokho buholi baba nomthelela ojulileyo osentsheni umphakathi isilo esawubhubhayo. Ilembe lami ngokuhlola umphakathi onezimpawu zokubuthwa. Lokhu kwakuchaza khona ukuthi sabe sasisidala. Lokhu singabantu abakwenze umulilo nempi. Emva kubo isilo ushaka satshala umoya obanesibindi. Satshala umoya obanesibike. Lo moya okophela phambili kanye nomoya okuyithimba. Yilona ayisho lefagugu esigubhayo namuhla njengoba sikhumbula isilo ilembe uMangosuthu amazulu. Uma sibona isilo ushasula khona sibona nokuthi beyinkumbi yamabutho ayinikela ngokuyidela impilo zawo ukuze khona nombuso sangalezwe wakho sangalezwe. Sibona isibindi amanye kanye nomunye. Sibona ukuhlola phambili lwamandla ezempi namasu oluthule. Sibona ukuthi ngoba empini esisanjwana phakathi kwaZulu noMangesi ngonyaka ka-1979. Sibona isizwe esanqotshwayo kepha esingavumanga ukuba umoya wobuzwe baso unqotshwe. Kuzo zonke iy'khathi ey'nzima engcindezelweni eyayikhona nemputhweni kwaso izwe laso. Sibona isizwe esasimile mpo nempako zobuzwe baso engagudlukile. Sangalezwe wena omnyama kuyinto emqoka ukuba sihlale lapha. Siyabonga kwakhona kwenkosi yokushinga wesihlalo wethu endile emakhosi nenkosi yakwabhengu engusihlalo lapha elembeni. Siyabonga uma ukubukela sangalezwe. Lesi sikhathi eside ngesime kancane basikhumbule into ey'thile. Yakhiwa sikwenze lokhu ngoba kuyinto elula ukududula iqiniso kude. Bese sikhohlwe ukuthi singobani. Ngabe sikhangaphi sangalezwe. Njengoba sizakalazi sibhekene ney'nselelo zanamuhla. Kuyinto ezibisubuhlungu sangalamakhosi uqonde ukuthi isilo samabandla wena silo samabandla ungene esihlalweni sobukhosi ngesikhathi esinzima emlandweni wesizwe samaZulu nesizwe sakithi lapho kuphendukele khona ngabakwethu. Kodwa kungeyona lokho kuyingqayizivele kuyinto eyinhlayenze lapha ekhaya. Lesi sikhathi-ke lapha uMholi okunenkolelo ejulileyo udinga ukuba usize ukuqathanisa njengesizwe basolele ngaphesheya kwalezi zimo ezibucayi esedlula kuzo njengey'ntuko zobuhlungu nosizi. Sibonga nokwa nekhampeyini wethu asiweze kwenkonzo kaNkulunkulu kwasedlule lezi zinto. Ngoba siyakubona kuneyimpawu ey'julileyo. Lokho yikona kufuze lokho okwabonakala elembeni uqobo isilo ushaka singakhona. Lokho yibuholi sangalezwe isilo ushaka esasinawo. Umoya onomoya ojulileyo. Umoya obanyiqwayaziso kalula. Umoya ophila phela okhopela ukwakha isizwe sanamakhosi. Isilo ilembe sakusaphela iminyaka eyishumi nambili kuphela, iminyaka eyishumi nambili kuphela esisalweni. Noma kunjalo-ke ngisakwazi ukuhlanganisa ndawonye abantu bezizwe bembuyi kade njengoba kushiwo ebeka lapho uNkulunkulu isifundazwe nabanye. Lokho ungeyona into elula ukuyifeza. Izongamatshela ngendlela enenjakaza ezingakajovanga lula bazenzeni namuhla. Isilo sakwenzela noma umuntu aye nesibindi, aye kuphela njalo kuya phambili. Ilembe lathumela ndawonye laba bantu ababeyimisela ukhonza ngabantu kwayo. Bacobishisa laba babengahambisani nalokho. Sabagona nalaba abangazange bagazi abavele bayikhonzela enkosini babo. Isilo sagcisa umqondo wasemgomeni owodwa. Lokho esingaphindanga sakubona. Lokho yikusola umgomo esiwudingayo ophophela ukuzuza into eyodwa. Osoqinisekisa ukuvikela ikusasa lethu njengalezo njengesizwe kanye nezwe lakithi. Ilembe lelizokunyomezelela ubuthakathaka, ukuvaka. Ngakho naye akufanele ukuba sikunyomezelele ukuvaka nobuthakathaka. Ngakho naye akufanele ukuba sinyomezelele noma yiluphi uhlobo lwendleleyo ebhekiswe kithi. Noma ngabe ukuxhashazwa kwamandla ombuso ngendlela okungeyiyo, noma ukusebenzisa imali yombuso ngokungeyikho, noma ukuxhashazwa kwabantu ababuthakathaka njengabantu besifazane ney'ngane abayisiphofu esasithiwa ngumdali uNkulunkulu njengoba kade esho uNkulunkulu esifundazwe. Njengoba isilo ilembo sagcisa umqondo waso emgomeni owodwa ekubumbeni isizwe sikaZulu. Ngokunjalo kufanele sigxile kulokho ukuqinisekisa ukuthi asihlabalali njengalezwe njengesizwe sakho. Emphakathini elabumba ilembo wonke umuntu uqoka wonke uneqhaza. Ngicabanga isizwe samakhosi ukuthi ilembe ingakhala inyembezi ukufumana ukuthi lokho isizwe saso sesimezelelayo nezwi lapho ukhuluma kunyaka engaphezu kwamakhulu amabili obakhona ubukhosi baso. Umphakathi wakithi ugungezwe yibuhlungu hlanganele nobunzima. Sisesimeni lapho sinengxenye enkulu yabantu abangazi ukuthi kusendlele bezonjani namhlanje. Khona abantu abangazi ukuthi bazotholaphi okuphila inzalo namhlanje njengokunyanga liphezulu. Sinoshoka nabantu bethembele ekutheni iy'dingo zabo zindlela umbuso ngokupheleleyo, ababuthaka abasheleyo, abempofu, laba bantu babuthaka abasheleyo nabentulayo. Izigidi ezisiba ngamashumi 20 hlanganezwe ishumi namashumi ayishagalolunye 80 miliyoni wabanye baphila ngekeke ey'kolweni zikahulumeni nemali kadebe. Imisebenzi ayibona bonke abantu ngesilo abanayo imisebenzi. Kufanele ukuba siy'nqobele ezinselele. Kufanele ukuba siphinde sakhe isizwe esinamandla esakhiwa ilembe. Akufanele ukuba siy'thele ngabandayo ngoba sekubuyela ubunzima kuye ngokuqoma bese ngathi into engakwazi ukugwemeka. Ukwenyuka kwentelo kaphetholi silo, ukwenyuka kwentelo yokuhlanganisa umuntu uphaka ngokuphila kwamandla kagesi leso nezingakuzona izinto engakwazi ukugwemeka. Zimpawu zomphakathi onomongo wokuphila owaphukileyo ey'dala ngokuphileka kobuholi okuyinikele emgomeni owodwa womnqobo. Kugxilisa umqondo wobukho kanye nobuholi obehlukile ukuba nombono obanzi ekwenzeni izinto. Lokho-ke siyesikhulu umsebenzi uthongwenze nengowenza ngaphambili nokumzali wakho silo nokuthi umkhonto nalezo ukuthula wena obeke usuku izilosulu lomthando lapho uzokhuluma ngobuholi ubashiya isagugu lethu lingapheliyo siyabonisa lelo fakhi igugu nami ngiyakho yakhola ukuthi igugu lelebe isibishaka siney'fundo ey'balulekile ukuthi esaphilayo lesikhathi sanamuhla yona ifagugu laley'fundo kulabo babephila ngesikhathi sesilo upani nalaba babephila ngesikhathi sesilo utetshwayo nalaba babephila ngesikhathi sesilo udinzulu nalaba babephila ngesikhathi sesilo usolomoni ukwabajulu ngesikhathi sesilo ubhekusukuso ngesikhathi sesilo uzoyithika bhekuzulu okwami njengoba ngikwenza emakhosini angaphambili ukuthula wena njengomthelo wethu sakalomthabayo ukolisa uba ngisho ukuthi njengokukhona emishini le kufanele ukuthi akangekho lapha bus that this is a significant moment for our nation as we witness for the first time you as a right-hand successor to the throne of King Shanna honoring the founder of the nation. We are humbled to see you as the heir and successor to His Majesty King Woodbury, doing what your father did for so many years by setting aside this day to commemorate the founder of our nation, King Shanna. It is my pleasure at this moment, on this important day, to also wish you, Your Majesty, a happy birthday yesterday. We wish you strength, we wish you endurance, we wish you courage, we wish you wisdom. We pray for a long and peaceful reign. May Your Majesty be blessed in all that you do for us as your people, for the sake of our people, and for the sake of our nation. This day, the 24th of September, is set aside honoring, commemorating the life and the legacy of our father, King Shanna Accord. More than 200 years ago, the 29-year-old warrior ascended the throne. The fact that he was a warrior influenced his style of leadership and had a profound effect on the kind of society that his leadership shaped. King Shanna shaped a warrior society. And that's not to say that he created a warrior people, but what he imbued our nation with was a sense of courage, was a sense of resilience, was a sense of determination, and was a sense of discipline. That is the legacy we celebrate today, as we remember King Shanna Accord. The image of King Shanna embodies the full spirit of the Zulu nation. When we remember King Shanna, we see the faces of countless warriors who willingly shed their blood for the Zulu kingdom. We see courage and strength and unity. We see military prowess and tactical brilliance. We see the regiments who declared victory in Sunday in 1879. We see a conquered nation whose spirit has remained unconquerable through every hardship of oppression and dispossession. We see a nation still standing, even today, with its identity absolutely intact. It is important for us to set aside time to remember. We need to do this because it is all too easy to push aside the truth of who we are and where we come from as we struggle in the present. It pains me, to This you as our king has taken up the reign in a difficult time for the Zulu nation, and indeed for our country. The time in which leadership is desperately needed to guide us out of distress and tribulation. But the leadership we require is unique. It is the kind of leadership that King Shanna possessed. Visionary leadership, uncompromising leadership, a leadership that was determined to build your legacy. King Shanna had reigned for only 12 years. Yet he managed to draw together very disparate people into one cohesive nation. That is not easily achieved. It was done aggressively, and through methods which today we will not contemplate. With his unstoppable regiments, tribe by tribe, clan by clan, he conquered, knitting in those who would give allegiance, and destroying those who would not. King Shanna showed a single-mindedness that was not seen again. But it is a single-mindedness that we need if we are to secure the future of his people in our country. He would not tolerate weakness, and we should not tolerate abuse. Whether it's abuse of power, whether it's abuse of money, or abuse of the vulnerable, women and children. A single-mindedness, as King Shanna was about building this nation, so should we be single-minded in ensuring its survival. In the society he built, every individual had value and a role. I believe King Shanna would weep to see what his people endure more than 200 years after his reign. Our societies are washed with pain and hardship. We have people not knowing where their next meal will come from, or even if it will come at all. We have people entirely dependent on the state, vulnerable, desolate, and impoverished. We must overcome these challenges, Your Majesty. We must build a strong nation. Again, we cannot be complacent and accept increasing hardship as though it were inevitable. It is not inevitable. Rising fuel prices, rising food prices, increased load shedding. These things are not inexplicable. They are the symptom of a broken system, where single-minded visionary leadership failed. Well, I'm not making a political statement. I'm just here to speak of a leadership that created a lasting legacy, one of which I myself am part. I believe that King Shanna's legacy holds many lessons for us, Your Majesty, in the present. Just as it held lessons for those who were living in the time of King Pali, and those who were living in the King of Tetuai, who were living in the time of King Jerusalem, and then the King of Solomon, and then the King of Jerusalem. Our kings in Umkhosi have always honored our founder, for they knew what he had created and they believed in the importance of protecting it. Our present king, through his actions here today, expresses the belief of us that the nation built by King Shanna is a nation which is worth protecting now and in the future. I'm proud, Shanna, to stand here beside you as I stood behind your grandfather, King Mangosuthu, as I stood beside your father, His Majesty King of the Mangosuthu. I'm very proud, Shanna, knowing that our monarch is a symbol, and that you represent all that devoted here. You represent our identity. You represent our past You represent our future. You represent the Zulu nation. May God bless His Majesty our King. God is reign, even as He blessed His Father before Him. May God guide our King.